Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, being flex so deep.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be working with a brand new company. Not brand new like overall, but brand new to me. This is my first time working with Pizzaz hair. They went ahead and sent me their 555 HD lace closure wig unit in body wave, and this is how we are coming. Like, the hair is really nice and full. It is 220 density, full of life. Love this hair, and it was really easy to pluck and work with this lace. I did not have to do too much, you know, like just a little here and there. And this wig is 100% glueless, so definitely don't forget to go ahead and check out the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase this unit. And if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy glueless install, just keep on watching.
Sex OD, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. When they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Don't not a rock with the working. Cause you know I love them all, to me you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby you got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Go around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Got it, I don't wanna leave. Yeah. Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the gram, tryna see that in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell.
All I do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gon' be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the footplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for my nauseous twine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hold my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
So this is the final look, and this gorgeous wig is from Pizzaz Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 5x5 HD lace closure wig unit. It is in 22 inches and 220 density. So she's really nice and full. We have a lot of body and fullness going on to this unit, and if I wanted it to be like a bit more voluminous, of course you could go ahead and add layers, but I did not. I just, you know, wanted to curl the hair in its natural state, just in case I feel like doing any beach waves, because in this type of heat right now that's going on, you need a unit that is going to be, you know, not too much, not too super full to the point where you're just like, oh, it's so hot. So this is like the perfect unit for beach waves, curls, crimps, and you'll still have that body and fullness to it. So there's that. And so far so good. This hair is really nice and soft, as you can see. Has a natural shine to it, and only products I used was hairspray, just so I could have these curls hold just a bit longer. I love running my hands through curls, not sure why, but I'm not supposed to be doing that. But either way, so far so good. The hair is bouncing back really nice and bouncy, like it's giving life. So if you'd like to get your hands on this gorgeous unit from Pizzaz Hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.